Okay, so let's move to the second use case. So the second use case is about the insurance industry. So let me just open the files which I have here. All right. All right. So in a second use case, so what we are doing is we are specifically talking about the file types or the documents that we have in the insurance industry. So as you all know, the insurance industry has lot of documents. So it can be, health claim forms, policy document. We have underwriting forms. We have customer correspondence. So lot different types of documents that's, us either send it or mail or either we have it in our management system or any other source. So here, what we are focusing right now is how we can extract the data from the particular document, which is the medical claim form, how we'll extract each and every information and how we'll route it to the target system. So pretty much similar to the first use case, I would say, but not completely same. So as in the first use case, what you all saw was we had different documents, but I can say that they had a particular structure, right? So they had the title or they had the para or table structure image, something like that. Though they were, unstructured. But in this particular use case, what I'm showing you in my screen is a health claim form. So if you see, look at this health claim form, it has a lot of checkbox all over it. So, and the document data is not in the form of title or para. So it has this image, it has this header, it has a title, and all the data you can see is quite clustered, right? We can see that in just 3 pages, we have lot and lot of data. And also something to note down here, if you see, the selection that we do in the document, that is through this X mark. So there's a checkbox and we select the document. So if some human is reading this document and he will be able to understand, right? So Medicare, he has selected Medicare, so that means it's Medicare. So for AI to understand, so our AI or solution also understand this particular data. So it will tell us that this particular document is a Medicare and it will extract each and every information through every pixel that it scans. So that's just an overview summary how we are doing it. So let me just go to the easy integration. Since it's quite similar, so I'll just show you the extraction process that we did. So in the source, we selected our source as SharePoint, where I had the health claim document. I extracted the content and I fed it to the AI. AI understood each and every document. It extracted all the content from the document and it is providing me the content of the document. Just after I got the content, I'm explaining what kind of data I want in simple English. For example, I'm just telling in simple English that I want the patient name, I want the birth of date, I want the policy number, I want the policy date. So all this uh, prompt that I have put in simple English to my AI solution, it will go to this extracted data. It will check where these data are lying in this extracted data and will provide me the key fields which I'm asking. So you can see that out of the document which I had, it has rightfully extracted whatever X marks which was there and it has given me the output. Just like my first use case, so once we are, done with extracting the content or the key fields that we have, so we are ready to route it to the target. So in this particular use case, just like my first use case, I am sending it to my AI window. So let me just open and just show it. I'll be quick in this and we can move to our final use case. So if you see the table structure right here, and the key fields I had asked it to extract. So we have the table structure which shows that each and every data it has extracted and it is ready to be sent it to the target system. One more thing I would like to highlight here is let's say you don't want to send your target system. You also have a feature. We also have a feature where you can just send it to a generative AI, send the particular data to a vector database or flow through the LLM models and use a generative AI model so that you can just ask the questions on the data that you have, like what is the document number or what was the policy on this particular document and how many document has been processed on this particular date. So you can just go ahead and ask the question to the AI and will answer it. So that's just an add-on and second use case what you can do with our solution.